Welcome to ROI Capital Management, where we're revolutionizing real estate investments, leveraging technology for superior returns. We are the future of real estate investments. We specialize in a value-add fix-and-flip fund strategy. Our innovative approach transforms undervalued properties into high-return investments. We're redefining real estate, creating value where others see none. Our goal is to target an internal rate of return between 20 to 30%. We're committed to maximizing your investment returns. We leverage cutting-edge technology in our operations. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology, we're transparent, efficient, and future-ready. We aim to reduce transaction times to as low as 30 seconds. Swift, seamless operations drive our commitment to efficiency and growth hand in hand. We introduce IntelliHomes, taking smart homes to the next level. Experience fully automated systems that redefine comfort and convenience. Experience the future of real estate. ROI Capital Management, invest in the future. Embrace the new era of real estate. Join us on this exciting journey. ROI Capital Management, invest in the future.